Hey, how's it going?
Yeah, hang in there. How are you?
Also, try to get through the week. Good evening. What can I order for you today?
Give me a chicken Caesar salad, please, and a glass of water.
Sure. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Did you watch yesterday's match?
Yes, the match was very competitive. Did you see the goal in the last minute?
I know, right? I can't believe it. It looks like our team won.
Of course, I hope they stick to it.
Hey, what are you going to do this weekend?
Not much. Why? Do you have a plan?
I think we can go to the movies on Saturday. Are you there?
Great. What did you think of the movie?
What about the new movie that just came out?
Sounds like a plan. Include me.
Hello. We have nice weather today, right?
Yes, this is absolutely amazing. Perfect for a walk in the park.
Of course. By the way, did you know that the barbecue nearby is still open this weekend?
I guess so. I heard they plan to continue with it. Are you going?
Yes, I will not miss it. It's always a great time to meet everyone. Hey, have you seen my phone charger?
I think it's on the kitchen counter. Have you checked there?
Ah, there it is. Thanks. Hi, I'm Sunny. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Sunny. I'm Sonia. Nice to meet you too. Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, it's beautiful. How do you know the owner?
We used to work together. What about you?
I'm friends with them from college. Hello, do you see everything well?
Yes, thank you. Can you add more apples?
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's all. Good morning. Can I get a latte, please?
Of course. Would you like flavor syrup in it?
No. Can I have a chocolate chip cookie?
Absolutely. Anything else?
That's it, thanks.
Hello, I need to go to the airport, please.
No problem. Hop in. Are you going to the terminal?
Terminal 3, please. I have a flight in about an hour.
Okay, I will send you on time.